Hey y'all, it's Thursday night. It's Friday. So I made a Dorito Mexican casserole. I'm going to link the video. And y'all, this is why I'm starting to use block cheese. And I'm getting ready to order me one of those things that you just turn it around and around and it shreds your cheese for you. Because see how this looks? This cheese was frozen. See how it looks? You can kind of still see. Look like it hadn't even melted. I might run it back in there for just a minute. But this is what we having for dinner. Y'all, I'm treating myself because all week, from Monday to this is Thursday night, I have eaten. So I think I had popcorn one day. One day I didn't have lunch. Then the other 2 days I had my apple, carrot, and kale salad. So I have not spent any money eating out. So I'm rewarding myself with this tonight. All right, y'all, be blessed. Bye.